Hey there! Today I'm going to show you how to use this GE Dehumidifier and how to add it to your app on your phone. Let's turn this on. It's on low right now, the speed, so it's not too loud for this video. But you will hear the dehumidifier make a noise while we do this. So you have your phone, you go on your SmartHQ on your app. Yeah, okay. It immediately detects that there is one that is not connected, right? So you click on connect. There we go, and then it wants to know what is it, okay? So you click, of course, on the dehumidifier button there, and then say, let's get started. It says, you press the Wi-Fi button or hold the filter reset button for 3 seconds. The symbol would be flashing. So I push the Wi-Fi button, and the Wi-Fi button is flashing, okay? So now we're trying to connect to the appliance. It wants to pair, yeah, allow that. Okay, now the screen turns black. And that's what it does. So this will stay like this forever. That is a bad performance of the app. The Wi-Fi button is blinking. And basically nothing is happening here. So I don't know what to do in this case. So let me close it or wipe the app away and reactivate it. Nothing is happening. So now what we do now is we really close the whole app, start it up new, and nothing has happened. But the Wi-Fi status of this dehumidifier is now on. So I'll push the plus button now. Then it's scanning again. We can do the manual setup if that doesn't work. Manual. Is it a water product? Maybe an air conditioner? Dehumidifier. Continue again. It's trying to connect. It takes its sweet time. But now it says, please find the network and the password label located on the back of the dehumidifier. Continue. Now, enter the last 4 characters of your network and the password found on the label, right? So there is a label here on top, here in the corner here. And this label, the last 4 numbers, the module numbers, the last 4 is a number. And I have here 4 letters. And then they have a password underneath. I don't know where the password is. Does it have a password on the back here? No, I don't know. It's supposed to have a password on here. No. I don't know where the password is. I can't see it. So I have to crawl under and see if I can find a password here on the back. Serial number, appliance, fuse, warning. There is no password. There's a barcode. Can't find the password. And then it goes back to this screen. We say continue. I can do the filter reset button for 3 seconds. Wi-Fi button for 3 seconds. It beeped, nothing happened. Doesn't work. So basically the thing is stuck now. Okay, I'm going to turn this off. Turn it back on and push this thing here for 3 seconds. Now it's blinking, so I do add dehumidifier nearby, connect button. Now it says trying to connect. It now finds my home network. It's trying to connect the appliance to my home network now. That is a network I entered before. Okay, so now it's adding it to the machine. Now we are set. Now we can get started. I have a name in here now. I can now take my dehumidifier and set it to what I need to. It still has the energy usage of this thing in here from where I deleted it before, because it never forgets. Schedules are gone, even though I had schedules. The target humidity I can change. Here, look at that. I'm going to change to 40%, and I change the fan to smart dry. There we go. And then I would have to set targets again. The schedules, I'm sorry. I would have to add a new schedule. That's what I have here to save energy. I want 40% in smart dry mode. I'm going to turn it on at 7 o'clock p.m. with those settings. Save. And I will add a new turn off schedule for 3 o'clock. Oh, come on. 3 o'clock p.m. is my... Yeah, 3 o'clock p.m. is when we turn off. Off. 3 o'clock p.m. we turn off, and at 7 o'clock we turn on. It just did it. That's why it's quiet now. And now we have this device added to the app, and we can control it and check the data. And all this is not the very first install of this. I deleted it. The factory said remove device. And as you can see, the schedules seem to be local data on the phone, where the power consumption data is saved in the cloud on your account. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video, even though things didn't work as expected in the beginning. But finally we got it to work. That's the beauty of this unit. The app could do better, but the unit so far works very well. Alright, I'm going to see you in the next videos.